This is it, 777. Today we show Pax they don't own Egypt. We're going to war.
Not for some foreign power or for riches, but to defend our home. I, for one, refuse to let these mercenaries stay in our homeland.
Their influence has spread too far, but today we cut them off at the knees. Today, we ensure Pax feels the full force of our army. We make it very clear that this is our home! Come, 777. It is time to take our country back.
Thunder 7-1, this is Vortex 2-1. I don't like what I'm seeing, Commander.
Captain Yasta, good to have the 47 at our side, just like the old days. Visual on hostiles.
Enemy tanks are on the move.
Copy. Saeed, ready the big gun.
Roger that!
Contact!
Axis fortifies the overpass. Choking off your approach to the city.
Then they will be met with fury.
Air has overwatch. We'll hit their flank while you attack their front.
Full assault. Advance and overwhelm. Vortex 2, keep up the pressure. I'll advance to take down that overpass. Forebearers will be proud.
777 always delivers.
This is just the beginning. Be ready to deploy heat. Keep shells moving and we'll come out of this victorious.
Roger that. We'll be ready. Coming in hot!
Send it back and keep pushing forward. Target eliminated!
Those RPGs are trouble.
Not for long. Stay sharp. It is down to us to take our country back. Enemy backup inbound from the east!
the north! Hostile reinforcements coming from the west!
Good to see you haven't lost your touch.
Keep raining down hellfire like that, and we'll be free of Pax in no time, brother.
Count on it. Our...
Vortex!
Mayday, mayday. Vortex 2-1 is hit. Losing altitude. In a spin and can't recover.
Vortex 2-1. Do you copy? Get us to that crash site! Yalla, yalla, imshi!
Moving!
Yasta, hold on! We won't leave you behind.
What's the code?
Keep the bird with the convoy. Can't risk getting it shut down too. I need 3 vehicles with us. The rest of the convoy, continue to intercept. Triple seven. We need to push into the city and get to the crash site. We're going to reach them before Pax do. Count on that. On me! Cover your sectors. Expect Pax to be dug in. We need to reach them before Pax does.
Contact! Check the building!
Bring them down! Hostile, down!
Target destroyed!
Captain Yasta, if you can hear me, we are on our way. Keep them at bay until we get there. Damn it! That way is blocked. Advance through the tunnel. Bastard! We don't want to get buried in here! Enemy down! Target eliminated!
Taking fire. Trapped in the wreckage and in need of immediate extraction.
Captain Yasta, we read you and are closing in on your position. What is your status?
They have us pinned down. Vehicle access to the east, but hostiles have swarmed the place.
Inbound. I need you to stay in the fight.
Ammo's running low. So 47, don't give up.
Nor do we. We're pushing through. Blocked.
And Pax is already advancing towards the crash. Saeed, with me.
We'll need 4 more soldiers. Yasta's running out of time.
Yes, sir.
That's our way in. But it's going to have to be on foot. Our Vix can't get through. The rest, go around and find an access point. We'll be waiting. With Captain Yasta and his team. Tag recovered! Affirmative. Let's get you out of there. Now, we need air support. You four, form a perimeter. The rest on me. We move to the helo. Watch our 6. Saeed, on me.
Copy.
Yasta!
Miss the bird. Stop. Hurry. Just have to let it cross. Good to see you, Commander.
Likewise. Just you.
He didn't make it.
I'm sorry for our loss. But we have to fight on. You with me?
Until the end.
Glad to hear it. Captain Yasta is safe and secured. But we're not done yet. Not by a long shot.
Hostiles inbound. 100 meters in closing. Approaching from multiple vectors.
I got 2. East side. Moving right to left.
I got 3 west side.
Frame shoot on the T of execute. 3. 2. 1. Execute. Sit rep.
Hostiles down.
When she sent you to join our op, she didn't tell you any of this?
Of course not. I was there for the task force to Tajikistan.
And you didn't know who Pax really was?
No. I just knew they were the enemy. And I know what to do to the enemy.